it's Monday today. I was just editing my vlog and I got this parcel and it's very pretty. It's from the Beauty Co. Oh my god, okay. Ah, that's so sweet. Send me so much stuff. Go through it one by one. Wow, glow mask, which is like activated charcoal glitter mask. It sounds so interesting. Then they sent me their apple cider vinegar shampoo, tea tree essential oil, and then we have their rose gold oil. Never heard of this before. Excited to try this out. Then we have a loofah. We also have some glitter. Oh my god, they have a coffee scrub, active charcoal. Is this a body scrub? There's one more. Both are coffee body scrub, but one is with activated charcoal and the other one is with coffee sugar. So, got that. Excited to try this out. Thank you so much, Beauty Co, for sending them. Okay, I'll get back to editing now. Drink your water, girls. Okay, I know I look like a mess right now, but I just had my shower, so like my hair. And I also got a parcel. Not a lot of things. First thing is pant top. If you have seen my vlog from last week, you know this. I got this in yellow, but at store they didn't have this in pink, so I got it online. Love the color. Then I got the same thing in cream, like off-white color. Then I also got the same thing in red. So yeah, 3 colors, actually 4 colors now. The last piece of clothing item that I got is this. Shorts again. Really nice printed shorts, like tropical print. Love it. There's a balloon going up. Bye bye. There are some subscribers there saying hi to me. So there's a Ganpati Visarjan happening here, and that is why everything is. There goes one more! Another one! Can't really see the Ganpati. I realized I'm wearing blue on blue. Okay, anyway, so a few weeks or months, maybe months back, I ordered this thing from Amazon Prime Sale. I ordered this thing, which is basically a box, like a storage box kind of thing. I'm just trying to open it. Sure how much you guys can hear me, but the Ganpati Visarjan thing has started, so I'm gonna try and show you guys best as I can. But I'm not traveling to places like Juhu and all of that because, like, obviously, like, I don't want to get lost. It's too risky, so I'm just gonna show you the Visarjan that happens in my area or nearby. And yeah, let's go. you get like vada paos or maybe juices and all, and then people litter. Hi guys, so it's the next day. I just woke up with a really terrible headache, and yeah, I'm just like trying to calm myself down and edit this vlog, but I realized that I haven't ended it, so it didn't really go well. Like I was standing there for like 3 hours or something, and the noise and the like air pollution and everything, and you guys know I have allergies, so it was really bad for me. I was like covering as much as possible, but it just didn't work out. So yeah, that's there. Anyway, I hope you guys like this video. If you did, then please don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Don't forget to work hard, be kind, and stay positive. And yeah, that's it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video now. Bye.